Alright, today I'm going to show you how to wire up a light switch. Now, here are two light switches. They wire up exactly the same. They may look different, but it's the same. So let me get to it and show you. On a light switch, you'll have two terminals on one side. That's it. And that's the ground terminal there. These, it does not matter the two wires coming out of the box how you hook these up. And it's the same on this other light switch. Again, two terminals and the ground terminal. So, out of your box, you'll have a ground. This is the ground right here, the copper one. A black hot, and then, where is it? This other one, this is actually white, which I taped because it is also becoming a hot. It's no longer a neutral. Even though it's white, you can see down there it's white. I taped it because it's continuing the flow of the hot. So the way this works is we take our light switch, we unscrew the terminals, first one we'll hook up is our ground. Okay, so we have our ground hooked up, and then we go switch to the other side. Our hot we put at the top, our black one, our one that's not taped. Just put a loop in it. Now, I may be doing this sloppy just because it's only for demonstration purposes only, and I'm hurting right now, leaning over like this on my back. So we get our hot. See? Okay. Do our other one, put a loop in it. I can even put a loop in. Okay. Again, always put in the clock, wrap the wire around clockwise around the screw. Okay, tighten this down. Okay. You have one. Now we've got them all hooked up, even though that wasn't hooked. Okay. We've got them all hooked up. Here is our power coming in. And what happens is it comes here, stops in the middle of the switch. Once you turn your switch on, it continues through the white wire, which I taped, and then goes to your light switch, there to your light fixture. So that's it. And always make sure it's the right way too. The off is at the top. That's it.